Uddiyana Bandha, abdominal contraction. The Sanskrit word Uddiyana means to rise up or to fly upward. This practice is so called because the physical lock applied to the body causes the diaphragm to rise towards the chest. Uddiyana is therefore often translated as the stomach lift. Uddiyana Bandha must always be practiced on an empty stomach and the bowels should always be empty. Anusara Kriya is an excellent preparatory practice. For beginners, it is much easier to practice in standing position. Begin standing with the feet about half a meter apart. Inhale deeply through the nostrils, bend forward from the waist, and exhale all the air out through the mouth. Lean the body forward, head forward, but do not press the chin against the chest. Form a forced inhalation and expand the chest as though breathing in but not actually taking the air. This movement will automatically draw the abdomen upward and inward. The ribcage is very obvious. Hold this position for a comfortable length of time. Do not strain. Uddiyana Bandha is performed with excellent breath retention only. Release the abdominal lock and relax the chest. Straighten the knees and raise the head up. Breathe in slowly through the nose.